Okay guys, how you doing? This is Mike aka Prime. So basically I'm doing another video on let's say if your browser is infected and you're getting a lot of pop-ups or you have like a infected homepage that you can't get rid of. This is basically what you'll do after you do all my scans from the previous video, because I'm getting a lot of requests saying like I don't know how to remove the virus from the browser after I did all your steps. So I'm gonna give you a guide on how to do that. So let's just get started. So as you can see, if I open up Firefox, you see how it redirects me to this bogus homepage. Same thing happens with Google Chrome. It keeps redirecting me to this bogus homepage. So what we want to do is we want to reset these the browsers by doing a full reset on the browser. So the first thing what we want to do is you want to back up all your bookmarks if you have bookmarks. So I'm gonna show you guys how to back up your Firefox bookmarks and your Google Chrome bookmarks. So these steps work with Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. Okay, so if you have these operating systems, this should work for you. So let's open up Firefox. All right, so you see in my bookmark toolbar here, I have a couple of bookmarks there. So I'm going to back up these. So the way to do that is hit the Alt button on your keyboard, go to Bookmarks, then go to Show All Bookmarks. And from here, what you want to do is you want to hit Import and Backup, and then Backup. So I kind of have one already, but I'm just going to override it, and then that's it. And then close that out. Now for the Google Chrome users, let's go into Google Chrome. Hit the three lines. And then what you want to do is you want to hover over bookmarks and then go to bookmark manager. In let's wait for it to open up. Okay. In bookmark manager, you want to hit organize. Then you want to export bookmarks to HTML file. And then I'm gonna put that on my desktop as well. And then close it out. So once you back up all your bookmarks, what you want to do is you want to go to File, which is the folder File Explorer down here. Click on this computer. Go to C drive. All right, and then go to View here up top, and then go to Options, and then go to View again. Then make sure you have Show Hidden Files here, and then hit OK. Alright, and now you want to go into users, whatever your user is, the username that you're logged into. To find out what your username is, you can click on your start menu and you'll have your username up top, or I don't know if you have multiple users, just make sure you click on your certain user. So I'm using Prime Workbench, so I'm going to click on that. You go to App Data, then you go to Local. Now first, what we're going to remove here is Firefox. So Firefox is labeled under Mozilla, so we want to delete this whole folder. So delete. Alright, so it's gone. And this is for the Google Chrome people. You want to delete the whole Google folder. So right click, delete. Bam, that's out of there. So now let's go into roaming. And then for the Firefox users, you want to right click and delete this folder as well. Google Chrome doesn't have this, so don't worry about it. So now let's go back to this computer. Go to C drive again. You want to go to Program Data. And then you want to find Firefox if it's here. See, if you see yours here, just delete it if it's in there. Or if you see Google, delete it as well. So since mine is in here, I don't have to worry about it. Alright, so close this out. So what you want to do on your keyboard, hit Windows key and R to bring up the run button, and then you want to type this in, appwiz.cpl, and then hit enter. This is only bringing you to your programs and features. If you know a quicker way, you can use your way as well. Alright, so what I want to look up is Firefox first. So I click on Firefox and uninstall it. Next. And then bam, it's uninstalled. And then if you're doing Google Chrome, same thing. Hit remove. So you want to install both of your browsers. Okay, so once both of your browsers are done, close out of your programs and features. Now open up your File Explorer again. Go to this computer, C drive, and now we want to go to Program Files in your 32-bit. Any traces of Google Chrome or Firefox in here, you want to get rid of them. So I have Google here, so I'm going to right click and delete it. There's no Mozilla, so if you see Mozilla in here, just delete it. Let's go into the regular folder. There's nothing in there, so all traces are gone. And just empty your recycle bin. Okay, so since we don't have any browsers except Internet Explorer, you have to use Internet Explorer. For the Windows 10 users, you can use Windows Explorer Edge, basically Microsoft Edge's new Explorer. If you are using Windows 7 or Windows 8, just use the regular Internet Explorer. Alright, so what we want to do is in the URL, you want to type in 9night.com. Okay, and then just click on Chrome or Firefox. If you use both, click on both. I use both, so I'm going to download both of them. Then hit Get Installer. Alright, then hit Run. And then you just have to wait for this to go through. Okay guys, so once that's done, just hit close and then close out of this. And now let's open up our browser. For Firefox, don't do anything. Now, as you can see, it opens up without the infection in the background. I'm going to import my bookmarks. Just hit the Alt, Bookmarks. Then you're going to go Show All Bookmarks. Import, Restore, choose File. This is the file that we created. Open it. Okay. Now, if you want to show your bookmarks toolbar, just go here. You go to View, Toolbar, and then Bookmarks Toolbars, and you see mine's come back. Alright, if you want to set your home page, all you gotta do is go to Options. Bam, mine's usually Google. Bam. And that's it. For Firefox, that's it. For my Chrome users, let's go to Chrome. And as you can see, Chrome opens up perfectly normal again. Only thing is, if you do see it come up with a different home page on Chrome, just close this out, delete the desktop icon, delete the icon down here as well, so unpin it. Then you want to go to the File Explorer, you want to go to this computer, C drive, then you want to go to Program Files, 32-bit, and then go to Google, Chrome, Applications, and open it up from here. And now if it comes up clear here, that means those just those links are infected. So just then what you want to do is you can just drag this to your desktop. If you right click, send to desktop, and then right click and then ping to Task Manager, you'll have it down here too. So that'll fix that issue if you're having that issue after if you did this reset as well. So other than that, that's basically it. If you guys have any questions, leave comments below. Also, I wanted you guys to look at the new, it's not really new, but Malwarebytes has like a kind of an antivirus program. If you go to google.com and type in Malwarebytes, They also have a protection program for $24.95. Basically, this will protect your browsers. It'll do. You can schedule scans to do every week. It's a pretty good, unique tool that I usually recommend to people. It's only $25 for like a year. You can't beat that. If you have any questions, leave your questions down below. If you want to purchase this, I have a link in my description down below, and you can purchase it. Okay? You guys have a good one. Please like and subscribe. Still trying to get up to 100,000. Nowhere near it, but we'll get there soon. Thank you. Have a good one.